When's the last time you saw your family?
It's been about 10 months.
But it's been a year. It's been about a year or so.
Almost a year ago.
I'd say it was about a year ago now.
Okay.
3 years ago. It's because they're back in Mexico. I just can't right now.
It's been a while. I don't even know if I can give you a date, man.
I have not seen my parents in a little over a year.
Okay, what about you?
Last Christmas this time, actually.
What do you think your family's doing right now?
Preparing a lot of Hispanic food like pozole or tamales, pupusas, because my mom's Salvadorian, so.
My mom's working right now. Everyone else is asleep.
What does she do?
She's a police officer.
Never watching basketball because like the NBA started again.
Okay.
I mean, they're probably all doing their own things, honestly. Like my sister's probably in her room, my brother's probably in the basement.
Can you do me a favor, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta call your mom.
I could call my mom.
Yeah, just, you know.
Yeah.
Let's see if he's still up.
Who are you calling up?
I'm gonna call my grandpa. He's usually up right now. He helps out with the baby.
Okay. Is that usually like your closer family?
Yeah, my dad passed away when I was young, so.
Who are you gonna call?
My grandpa.
Ty. Why are you gonna call your grandpa, man?
Because I lived with him my whole life.
Okay, so he raised you type thing?
Mm-hmm.
Nice, yeah.
I can call my little brother.
Okay, what do you think he's doing right now?
Play video games.
Yeah, that's exactly what I thought you were gonna say.
There we go.
Hi, Mom.
Hola, ma.
¿Quién es? ¿Qué horas son allí?
Son como las 17.
All right, there she is. She answered. All right. Hey, Mom.
What are you wearing?
We're wearing reindeer costumes. We're doing this little like interview thing.
Morning, Sleeping Beauty. You awake?
What? Yeah.
What's up?
Hello.
Hey, honey, how you doing?
Hey, baby. What's up?
Hey, how's everything going there?
What's up?
Hello, Mr. Man.
What are you guys doing?
What do you want for Christmas, dude?
World peace.
World peace? Why is that?
And PS5.
And a PS5? All right.
What are you doing?
At work.
Yeah.
Trolling the street.
From the streets?
Anything else? Oh, Lord.
What?
What?
Nothing.
I'm watching a movie.
What'd you say?
I'm watching a movie.
What movie are you watching?
Why did I get married too?
Oh yeah, I like them. I watched both of those last week.
Are you doing anything for Christmas?
No.
No.
Probably be working.
You guys both working?
We might be,
Oh, okay.
And I was crying the other day because I missed him and I got him.
Anything else?
To see my fucking brother. I miss him so much.
I love you, buddy.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
If you have any more
My
questions,
super mom, when your mom can call, maybe you can talk to your mom.
I love you and miss you.
Yeah, they ain't answering. It sucks. I left. I basically left my home when I was 13. So, like, ever since then, I haven't. Basically, 7 years straight. Like New Year's and Christmas and like all the holidays, I haven't been with them. But you know, it happens.
Ah, well, he's not picking up.
Oh, no?
Nah.
But, like, when did your dad pass away?
2011.
2011, how old are you?
9.
9?
Le estaba llamando para decirle que la quiero mucho y que espero que todo esté bien allá en Washington.
All right, dude. I love you, okay?
I love you too.
All right, bye, buddy.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Yep.
I'll call you later, Pop, all right?
All right. You gotta go? All right.
All right. I love you.
I love you, buddy.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, just wanted to say that I love you. I love our son. I love our family. I just want to make sure that everything is okay.
Oh, man. Okay. Love you.
All right.
All right, Mom, I'll call you in a little bit. I love you so much and I miss you, okay?
I love you too, baby.
All right. Bye.
Just tell everyone there I love them, and I'll talk to them tomorrow.
Hey Mom, hey my dad, hey Ashley, hey Grant, all my siblings. I just wanted to let you know I love you all, I miss you all. I'm constantly thinking about all of you.
Feliz Navidad, mi familia, a tío Emerson, a abuelita Gloria.
Those who have been there for me and like have supported me throughout my career and like what I plan to do in the future.
Hey Pa, love and miss you all. Love you, Grandma, Uncle Ty, Uncle Sean, everybody. All my little cousins, nieces, nephews, sisters. Everybody from back home in Susanville.
A mi mamá, a mi papá, a Abigail.
I just want to say to my cousin Uriel, stay strong. I want to meet my niece one day soon. I know she's getting really big. My cousin Kimberly, to keep pushing through whatever it is she's pushing through. My cousin Daniel, he's in the Air Force. He's in North Carolina right now. Just if he gets to go home for the New Year's, to give everyone a big hug for me.
Dominic, los quiero mucho. Sebastián, Ángel, Leticia.
Hope the holidays are going well. Hope the little ones are being okay. Hope Matt's first Christmas with the family is good. I just want to tell y'all I love you, I miss you, and whenever you get the chance, just call me. I'm always awake.
To my wife, my son, my family back in Puerto Rico. I know everything's hard right now and you're having a tough moment, but just wanted to say that I love you all.
Los quiero igual. Toda mi familia en California, los quiero. En Oregon.
I'd like to give a shout out to my mom, Joanna Goss, my dad, Guy Coleman, my 4 brothers, William, Tanner, Shay, and Ryan. I miss you guys all, and I can't wait to see you.
I want to shout out to my little brother Luke especially. Freaking love you, bro. And the whole Jackson family. I love everybody, and I miss you. Can't wait to come home.
Tío Ángel, tía Sharon, abuelito Ángel, lo quiero mucho.
I just want to say Merry Christmas to y'all back home. I know this is my second Christmas away, and it's hard on all of us, but I'm there at heart, and I know y'all are just doing fine without me, and y'all have a good Christmas either way. My grandma and my grandpa, I love y'all, and my mom, and Ethan and Zathan, my 2 little brothers, and my little sister Kirsten. I just want we all to have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year and a good start at the beginning of the year, and I love y'all.